Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate overload cupcakes. For the cupcakes, you will need 175 grams of margarine, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 100 grams of dark chocolate chips, and 100 grams of white chocolate chips. To start with, put your sugar and your butter in a bowl and cream until well combined. Then add your eggs. Then add your flour and your cocoa powder and mix until well combined. Then add your chocolate chips and mix again until they are thoroughly mixed in. Then simply put in a pre-prepared muffin tray. You need to put these in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted. And you need to put these in for about 16 minutes. And for the chocolate buttercream you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of water. You can mix the buttercream by hand, but I find it much easier if you've got a stand mixer or a hand whisk. Firstly, cream together your icing sugar, your cocoa powder and your butter. Then mix in your water and mix until it is really creamy. If you put too much water in, it will go too liquidy and then it just won't retain its shape when you pipe it. So if need be, just add a little bit of water at a time to make sure you get the right amount in, but I always find 1 tablespoon of water is about right for each mixture. Then simply fill a piping bag with a piping tip on the end with your buttercream. And swirl around your cupcake to make a nice chocolate buttercream swirl. And there you have it, that is chocolate overload cupcakes.